Just got our new electric fence up. Keep the puppies out of the garden. See how it does. Go pee, Chuck.
Boo.
Hopefully don't piss on the bottom of it.
Don't do it.
Go pee, guys. Yeah, he does. Let's go right through that thug. I believe you're right. He knows something's up. Well, I guess he passed. Yep, that's the new electric fence going around the garden. Keep the coons and puppies out. Seems to be the puppies are smarter than the cats. Hopefully I got it on video. If I do, I'll include it on this video.